that we possess in Busoga. In Busoga, God blessed us with several tourism things. For example, we have the historical sites, cultural practices, and so we intend tonight. For example, we have Chaka Herbal Forest, where we can find several varieties of herbal medicine, thus enabling us to have good life. N'abasoka wetutumula inti ochabazinga wesunga watumula inti tusobola okuwangala ebyanda n'ebyanda. This spot that I'm having is having water. In Busoga, we have water that heals almost all kinds of diseases. We are blessed in that. Thank you.
Where is the water from?
The water is found in Chikalu.
Chikalu, Garuya, Ongo, Jepanyoro, Ongo Vide Kadumiri. Kare, Twayanzi Zaino Kubona, Vikola, Tinachindi, Amakola, Garioti Gachira, Mario Mutigobeta, Echirama. Oliwa dembo kubango inola kumolola moji munango, otumolola moji nga olipo inonole bintu ebyo. Mpola buda chikandale yonka.
Ene costume jenswaide etegeza ndikutumula kuidagala eriye tulina eriye kinasinga iswe abasoga turwaire endwaire nyingi nga tugaina okozesa edagala lya iswe eriye kinasi tulina ebyobulambuzi bingi tulina ebyobulambuzi bingi aye okatonda atongeire ku edagala lya kinasi. Era nga wotubona COVID-19 we yaizire ituli batukoba tukozesa edagala nga entangawuzi. Alright, nicho nugwo mulamo gwendete na ntitwireyo kunjanjaba jaisu eyekinasi.
Oyo naba idukuru wa Rudaga, mwidukuru wa Lamoji, munangu webalo kuiza abaikaliro basukiri. Bana tumukubile ku mugalo yo mugalo.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Namwaya Desire Shafika. I'm putting on a creative wear filled with pieces of clothes. My earrings are filled with pieces of clothes. My dress is filled with pieces of clothes, and my beautiful sandals. I'm wearing this because when I become Miss Tourism Busoga, I'm going to use my tailoring skills to train boys and girls in Busoga in fashion and design to reduce on the rampant teenage pregnancy and early school dropout. How am I going to do this? I'm going to do this through sensitizing village clubs, chiefdom clubs, like youth empowerment programs. In this, we are going to be training girls and boys tailoring, coming up with different designs. In tourism, we need fashion. When a visitor comes to Intanda Falls, when he has come to tour, he needs to buy something. He will remember that I was once in Intanda Falls. Thank you.
Olioti akanoni kalekebeta kanamuga yakene tame itotola kutina chininga omenamena ulusukuru engeri bwondomiyemu okuvaga ngurupaka gansi
neyanziza mbayira olugoye luno tulwetaga capital okutumbula tourism mu Busoga. Naganda obugoye buno bwe basuula mu nguudo, mu kasasiro, mu butale, n'abikuŋŋaanya n'abitunga n'avaamu n'olugoye. Kino ndikikola okwempowering abavubuka abali eyo nti wetusobola ogema edengoye eriri kuli eyo twaditunga twadeeta ku bifo ebyobulambuzi nga Intanda Falls, osobola okitunda wafunamu ssente wadema kusula ndala. N'ekindi kijja kipinga abawala n'abalenzi nga bali busy kikendeze kukifuna mabunda, kikendeze ku baana okuva mu masomero, buli muntu kuba alijja abaakola nga n'abazaire baife tetubamena neyanziza.
Kale webale ddala banna omugala tumukubire ku mungalo.
Mwebale ino mwebalire ddala mwana abaidye olunaku lwaliro tukagirera mu maiso tukalina ebintu ebirungi bintu ebyokuwalaga aye muŋŋame nebaze Judge Batema akobye buli musono gwe mubale mulibona wano, buli creative work mubale mulibona wano, akobye abawala bajje bakivaluwinge ate mu maiso akigule. Now listen to me, omuntu nene akoba nti go and value and come back and tell me the money, oyo teba muntu wa bulido oyaba mugayiga kitu abakyana bamitukubire ku Judge Batema engalo edamani akobye alikyagula buli musono gwe waire olibona wano. So abawala gye batire muche bana muvaliwinge nga timwerabira nti one drop muvaliwingiramu izazana ndine ebigoye byange bikaire nja kubisala kunkyo. Okay, thank you so very much. Mwana abatwegaiseku mwana wali tubona ku media houses agenda ulo. We are at Miss Tourism 2025 2026 and we are in a quest looking for the next beautiful amazing queen. I just representing Obusoga all over the world when we say tourism. And of course nendo bategeza tuli ku Itanda Falls embu kubifo ebikasize kuba byamaani mu iwanga lya Uganda atera mu Busoga okutwaliza walala. So nga ate wonava wano nga olikwenda okujja ku Mwidimba tulinayo Source of the Nile. Osobola okujjayo n'omwagalwawo, osobola okujjayo ne mukwano gwo, osobola okutwala family yo out ku Source of the Nile. That is when you get there or taking a chifanani Wakoba, I was at a place, the reason as to why Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa. Mwana basoma, Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa because of Busoga and in particular Source of the Nile. But judges tubendaino, abebitu wabatogeseku tubendaino, nongeino kwebaza media houses edenda ulo, nongeino kwebaza TikTokers, social media influencers, and of course Baba TV and Sanyuka Next Media.
Kali, basabo ne banyabo. Nawe tuli nti tuli lunaku lwa kudigida, tuli lunaku lwa kubonesa, tuli lunaku lwa kubanga tujja kudoga budoge. So basaba ni banyabo mundikirize wetuva kweno tujja kwira kuneno. Mundikirize basaba ni banyabo mbate ku
Busoga enuma
omwemi wa Kyamazinga
meka
mesa olusoga Busoga ewoma. Basaba ni banyabo mwikiza tubakuba ku omwemi gwabese
Captain Jinja.
Bona nikwiwe awomera maiso ganje anamonikira ndabwike bali bakoba tisobola obeziso kirenda kuwola nze nakulinga kotikikubona ombaka lumende mukutegana si wamachatule tikuluna kubembaga olifayo kwisanuwa langirira keniza sentebe olyanukula pasita sekola bishopu walero chatule nze lumirwa ino bambone ine byankoko tubeivi bintamye mugobe obone ngapende kwitale bona byandugeno tisakaba omutimeno wakuma moto oneka wanesa mweto moto baby wama chatule wasiasati tikuna kulembaga olivayo kwisanuwa langirira kenize sente sekola bishopu walero chale put it down kambone kumukono gwa His Excellency Waikesevo oyo ndi kumwene ate omukono gwa mama Rebecca itwala kadaga hey ate omukono ogw'omukalire namutamba omukalire nkwenda ino mukalire namutamba iwe leka tuwaane Busoga kenda wawaana Busoga nga otaimu tinekyo nize mutabane wa baba Omulalati atera nzaliwa niwa Omulalati Busoga kugonzaganya gwe kirumane ku maji oyanoni okukosa Obusoga ali ku lwazi ali mu kwewemoya mwene wagungumane Obusoga okumaira neire tundoti keke omaino basimi abasali mwe Busoga bana Busoga eoma Busoga ife twidwire bibala okuva ku Luyita Makoli ife twidwire bibala batakuna Luwali ife twidwire bibala okuva ku Mwegakiya ife twidwire bibala Busoga tutyaime kunina ebisikiriza totemya muni ujagalintanda oba Busogo ayaya otuuka kwekaguluroko bwewalampa ku waigulu mama obulira obulamu we bukyuka mama thank you ebireeta amasano bisimuka wano omwigo omuwanvu gusimuka wano amasanyalaza gensiga golebwa wano ewaife Busoga okumaira neire tundoti keke ewooma ino mwesimi abazaali mwe Busoga bana Busoga ewooma Busoga ebidwire bibala okuva ku Luyita Makoli ife twidwire bibala batakuna Luwali ife twidwire bibala okuva ku Mwegakiya ife twidwire bibala ndi wano olutindo lw'emiguwa olugayita Busoga ebiketeze n'amaanyi mwiwanga nkoye biri wano tukekimbyoubire kibuga ky'amakolero lumirwe iwatuuka egango kakase kibuga ky'omusuubuzi baba abaana bekaliro muli mutya nga muli balunzi bantewama emayo gebazaala mama awo bavuga tebalimi babiri uteeka muneeno banange esimuka bakulembeze ate luukeeno bagenda obaira tebalima bikayo nga malingo obutirimekakiriza omukombe mwiwanga namutumba balire bangaigo bana basinga mwiwanga emubeere wamema atenda okulya bukombe mwitaka olusozi olusinga bagenda kulomagana muyende Busoga emimanyo nze mutabani wa baba Omulalati atera nzaliwa nyuma Omulalati mutesi Obusoga kugonzaganya gwe kirumanwe ku magi nze mutabani wa baba Omulalati atera nzaliwa nyuma Omulalati mutesi Obusoga kugonzaganya gwe kirumanwe ku magi oyanoni okukosa Obusoga ali ku lwazi ekyamazima ali mu kwemola mwene wagungumane Busoga okumaira neire tundoti keke ewooma ino basiri abazaali mwe Busoga bana Busoga ewooma Busoga ife twidwire bibala okuva ku Luyita Makoli ife twidwire bibala batakuna Luwali ife twidwire bibala okuva ku Mwegakiya ife twidwire bibala Busoga tutyaime kunina ebisikiriza totemya muni uyagalintanda oba Busogo nowalampa ku waigulu mama obulira obulamu we bukyuka mama ebireeta amasano bisimuka wano omwigo omuwanvu gusimuka wano amasanyalaza gensiga golebwa ewaife Busoga okumaira neire tundoti keke ewooma basimi abazaali mwe Busoga bana Busoga ewooma Busoga ife twidwire bibala okuva ku Luyita Makoli ife twidwire bibala batakuna Luwali ife
guolo gaita busoga eliketese by'amaanyi mu iwanga nkobire ebiri wano tuuka itindo owulire thank you banita Captain Junior bwe bali kuba mwana
kale tweyanziza ino tweyanzire basabuli banyabo olwasupidi yetulimu nja kubasaba basabuli banyabo bali wana ab'engoma olwembo lulala tini kyo baba lwembo lutya lulala
bali kwebuuzanga ati kagulu tetukinire ku kagulu etuuse era yiino eviire mu disitulikiti y'Ebuyende tuli baamakina tituli kwemba okwemba olali kwemba ate byona biri bya busoga itwena katutine bw'amakina masoga kiwe tine ekyo mama namutamba aliwo agabone tulese amakina okuva kagulu tulese babalenzi babiri bonka ababone bana musule kunze tijja kwemba ndibona bubone mwetegereze bwankende ensoga yene bwe musobola mutuyamba ku bwa bwana asinze kwawaamu akasente
wangi abesembe muliwa sekula iwe mukuba mwakasemba bone awo sekula bigida awo tweyansiza basabali banyabo kale basabali banyabo ankala fante amakiro ngabwe bakambwe basekula ankala fante anibire
soja wa mama Kadaga
olema mukambwe
okonirako boti kumunenega agamba if you don't want to make the way I'll be
eri engeri gyayogera mati ati imperano bino ebiwunvumu alina akantu okuba
fantastic wamusoga yani fantastic wamusoga era 12 tutambulu aya arapati kupeji kwa mutafwa nali kyo tutusaako buli kimu
buli kabamala ati Museveni
olitegeera naidigo balibinga mu parliament
naijali kukwayo alafati yanga bakadi nga likaina kulondebwa yakoba ni gundi akwire
ayo bali mutwala mu ntondo ayizira kabyota
abali yanga bakadi kale basaba ni banyabo tuli kujja kukitulese
exactly
ate ng'ekitulese isa n'olunaku lwaki
lwaleero. Ladies and gentlemen, twise mumpaka nabana lulungi by'ebyobulambuzi bya Busoga era nga tuli kujja mu question and answer session era nga tuli kyabona abaana obwobwongo bukola wangulu awo. But of course, as we told you earlier, we chose the cream de la cream of Busoga, and they are the best from whichever region they're coming from whichever part of Busoga they're coming from. They are the best we chose, yeah? So we are going to be having a question and answer session. Somebody pass the microphone to the judges. One drop. Microphone to the judges. So we're going to be having the contestants, and of course, they're going to be coming here. They choose something from here, and then we are doing this one. Baba studio okay, okay. So we're going to have the first contestant on stage. Katufune contestant ya soka.
All of them.
All of you guys, yeah. All of you guys come up on stage. Let me see the girl walk. Shine out, girl. Look at the beauty of Busoga. Look at that girl. How beautiful.
Oh, it's something about, just something about the way she looks. I can't figure it out. It's something about her.
Busoga speaks volumes through the culture. That's what we're doing tonight. We're celebrating the culture. We are celebrating Busoga women. We are celebrating the culture from Busoga land. From different very many chiefdoms in Busoga. We chose the cream de la cream girls. The beautiful, amazing girls. Looking amazing courtesy of C4 Tunga Fashion. And it's located in Ginger City. We have 16 contestants in number. We are looking for one beautiful, amazing queen to represent the beautiful region of Busoga in tourism. There are 16 in number, and we're going to be spotting out only one of them. It's going to invite the best, and the rest will represent the big chieftain. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I bring the podium.
Oh, good evening, contestants. How are you? Okay, listen carefully. We are going to do quick fire questions. That pot that the MC has questions.
Yes.
You're going to pick one paper.
Exactly.
Let each one of you pick one. MC, let them pick.
Okay, everybody chooses at the same time?
Yes, let them pick the papers.
Okay. You pick one by one. Okay, well, let's kaluba mwana biba webityo. Get a maso. I wish you all success.
We are going to do all this in English.
You only take one question, yeah? Quick fire questions. We can go kaluba AI yobongo yongo jikwatako AI. Visit your AI really fast.
So you only read the number,
only
then
one
the question
yeah?
is from here.
Only one question. Faster, faster. Tuchukole mangu bambi. Okay, huh? Choose up. Ayenga obwana bulina akaniriro ni smile nizaze nkali wano kumpi ali kufuna kumasanyalaze kano gocha 3 phase. Oh my goodness, they smell so nice. They smell so amazing. They smile so nice. Anybody who's not having a question, look at these high. Oh my God, your sense of something else.
Okay, give them a microphone.
Okay, now contestant number 1, where you at?
Like, you may not follow that order, but from number 8 this side. From this side. Read the number.
Number 16.
Good evening.
Good evening to Madam.
Your question is, which district is the Iyingo culture site?
It's
Buyende district. Thank you. Next. Good evening, dear. Good evening. Please tell me the number you have in your hands.
Number 9.
Your question is, name the chiefdoms that have produced the Chavazinga of Busoga.
Thank you for that question. We have Bulamoji chiefdom and the Bugavla chiefdom.
Thank you so much. Next person. Good evening, dear.
Good evening, dear.
Please tell me the number you have in your hands.
Number 15.
Pardon?
15.
Your question is, name at least 3 tourism activities offered at Itanda Falls.
Tubing, kayaking, whitewater rafting. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The next contestant. Good evening, dear.
Good evening to you, madam.
Please tell me the number you have in your hands.
Number 14.
Okay. Your question is, Prince Mukama Namtukula, the grandfather of Busoga, came from which kingdom?
Bunyoro Kingdom.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The next contestant, please. Good evening, dear.
Good evening to you.
The number?
Number 5.
The question is, who was the first Chavazinga of Busoga and from which chiefdom?
Thank you for that question. His Royal Highness Tenywa Ezekiel.
Okay, thank you so much. From which chiefdom?
From Chigulu Chiefdom.
Okay, thank you so much. The next contestant, you're going to be reading to me the number you have in your hands immediately.
I have number 4.
In which chiefdom is the Budumbula Palace?
It's Bugavla Chiefdom.
Thank you so much.
She is number 1.
Name the grandfather.
Sorry, she's number 1.
Yes. Name the grandfather of the current Chavazinga of Busoga.
Sir William. Wilberforce.
Before, I guess. Thank you so much. The next contestant, please.
Number 10.
In which district is the Bishop James Hannington Memorial Site?
Maybe.
Thank you so much.
Number 3.
Mention any two celebrated days in Busoga.
We have Bishop Hannington.
Pardon.
Number 3.
Mention any two celebrated cultural days in Busoga.
We have the Chabazinga Day.
We have... Should I read the question for you again?
Yes.
Mention any two celebrated cultural days in Busoga. Significant cultural days.
Significant. Thank you. We have Kagolo rock climbing, and we have
Okay, thank you so much. Next contestant.
number 2.
Which king died at Mpumude Hill in Busoga?
Omukama Kabalega from Munyolo Kingdom.
Thank you so much.
Number 7.
Name the Minister of Tourism of Busoga and her chiefdom.
Honorable Helen Olga Namtamba from Bukoli Chiefdom.
Thank you so much.
11.
Who was the first Vice President of Uganda?
The first Vice President of Uganda was Sir William Wilberforce Nadope II.
Thank you.
Number 6. Question 6.
When do we celebrate Saint Matia Mulumba Day?
15th September.
Thank you so much.
Number 12.
Name the colors of Busoga Kingdom flag and their meaning.
Blue represents the water sources. Yellow represents the abundant sunshine. And brown represents the fertile soils in Busoga. Thank you.
Are we all through?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so very much. Brilliant minds. Let's clap for them. Twakuya kwengalo. Abana wasoma, abana bugezi. Abana tibali school fees. Shine like the superstars you were tonight. Shine on clouds.
Just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about got a woman that wants you but don't need you. And I can't figure it out. It's something about her.
They can figure it out. They got the brains. I want to them sobola bino byabagezi.
Ebiri mu oluzungu.
Bino bizira mu kadodi. Bino bizira mu kwemba kadodi byabagezi byokka.
Bino bya luzungu.
You know, One drop.
Yes, sir.
All the time quick fire questions. They are fact best. They kuli kuyiyo. You know kubola always how fast.
Ebyo ndala fati. Oku radio.
Tukese kuniwa tubone.
Ani.
Zega basente.
Nze. Mama aja kumpe dange.
Watu bitanga mama akuwa kakaile.
Mama. Tuli wampita wampa kakaile.
Atili za kuwa na akuwa.
Awali kumpia.
All those were fast, quick fire questions, and of course, to testing the IQ and the smartness. Wabana katsubira abazaire mu boine abana tibali school fees abana bajanga mu class basoma, and of course that's what they were able to present. Congratulations to the girls. Now, ladies and gentlemen,
man.
Mr. One Drop, what is next?
Man. Kale basaba ni manyabo kasoke mposoke kubeku obugalo obwamani no mwekubireku nga toli kuwongera.
Exactly. Ayi wali asobola wongera wano. Nabiyota. Wongera wowe na kupita kubakuba tieti ba musomye nganzira utake odiyo bampongere. Mukama wangaliwa. Uno. Ozira muko ebiri okampa leta. Tumo mwana. Alapati yandegere so luseke. Okay, One Drop also. Nenda One Drop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I want to also recognize the presence of the CEO, Unity Modeling Agency.
Yes, sir.
Muku Sports Organizations editor. Abana mu pageantry era ngo nibanona abategeka Miss Ginger City. No boliba nalulungi be Busoga okuva mu Ginger City. As you already know, Ginger City is the capital of Busoga. So Mr. Medi Designer aliawo in a damn beautiful green suit. He's looking so smart.
Medi Designer yemeramu ko.
Ubi kwa abantu. Oyo ni Medi Designer.
No yo.
Ero yo ni scout wa abanonya abasinga kunira mwindinda. Oyo womubona ngo tegera nti muwalawo Anira. Medi Designer, I don't know, managing director of Unity Modeling Agency. So thank you so much for being around. And also, allow me to appreciate the presence of our outgoing, beautiful, amazing queens right there, putting on those beautiful crowns. So you girls, exactly. You girls, we're gonna say bye-bye to you. I hope you see your replacements and you appreciate what they're doing, yeah? Queen Lisa, we see you, I know you're there. And all the girls, you know your names are so complicated a little bit, but thank you so much for being beautiful queens. And we have loved your tenure and all the achievements you have been backed on. Toyanziza, ino mwebale kuwereza, Baba Isef Tabazinga.
Kale, basamo ni banyabo. Era nga wena tuli kujja mu ndongo. Endongo.
Yes.
Tulina okubasakata endongo paka ku ssaawa 12 okuki.
Ate nga tubawa era tubawaayo.
Paka ssaawa 12 okuki. Dokuncho.
Exactly.
Wano waidio watufu. Wabolibwa n'okunaaba osobola okwikira ale wansi. Weewugamu.
Are you making sure? Now you don't become eternal falls also.
Otasembeta. Basabo ni banyabo.
Tell me.
Mundikize mbatuse ku omwembi wa Kyabasinga.
Omubwati.
Ali mu lusuubo.
Tell him.
Olujja okuwasa embaale.
Tell him.
Situibye oba tumutwala ddi.
Yes.
Oba tuli mutwala ddi.
Yes.
Ono n'omwembi yenka eyayembye olwembo. Okwenda okujja embaala nga ndi mukazi mutuufu. Mundikize tuyikirize twanirize.
MC Kalata. Stuka tutembale.
NLM nachi. Museveni nachi. Mama Kadaga nachi. Wuboti ngoyende NLM ni Mama Kadaga uba. Jekube. Akumore oli kuwena DJ. Moko wambale. Oli kochi. Anze mva bona. Ate ndi wabona ndi wa Jemmy Manachi. wambale abasoka mumperekere kunja kuwa sambale bano olwaleero ndi muko wambale abasoka mumperekere kunja kuwa sambale bano olwaleero ndi muko wambale abasoka mumperekere kunja kuwa sambale bano olwaleero naki mumperekere kunja kuwa sambale konere bakagwa abantu bembale ebisoka yempire yenda babenda ino ekindese wano ekintu kyamakazi nebuuka n'amakazi akosekendidemu ate ng'ekindi ndi muko wambale mulwanyire embale munanga omusogi ekiyengenebalu wanga bwambale esase omusali nambosonje naye bano olwaleero ndi muko wambale abasoka mumperekere kunja kuwa sambale bano olwaleero ndi muko wambale abasoka mumperekere kunja kuwa sambale nati putamaiso zendayire olekokala kinanya bakuweze abengamba abo iwe tobasembeza tebenda kutabula mukwana baife mumperekere kunja kuwa sambale walangira ndi muko wambale abasoka mumperekere kunja kuwa sambale bano olwaleero ndi muko wambale abasoka mumperekere kunja kuwa sambale ono otwaire bangi banesungaye banamuswaire olwengamba abo iwe tewasembeza baze tumuwerawo kundi ensonga zonga kyezika aya kubakumya pakukulira rubi nachi kakakalata museveni nachi NRM nachi mama kadaga nachi mama sexy okubya no banga sexy nakulya kibanga rapa bisi production kakakalata uli bakunya paka kuwulira bubi kuwulira bubi tuli bakunya papa papa aleka tukunya papa papa waiter baba baba we bali bawe na bali bawe oli muwe nayo kwe nami muwe bakuna jiko balo mo January tuli bakunya paka for meeting okuli ko to kuwa no kuli mo chupa sinze yalete naku wama bachala gamba wa sinze yalete naku haya kuba chikweko nzebe nze omwembi wa mama kadaga afume ebikweko waneno atenga ni mwana wa omulangira atenga nekatikiro mubawala kuba chikweko eyombe yo beko ba chikweko ngambe na monti chinde chikweko kapini ni kapiso mungulu tebe bungulu e pampa la pampa yo yeah, thank you. The music shall I upon the mic I want to support the BT have a walk a heart to BT ayenga ankalafu atikasoke nkwabaseku nomwambi yangakutulira mubusoka ntayomba na muntu ayankalafu ati agambye alusi botu wabani baireyo bakayi balanika kupuma bantu balanika kudula boti bali mukyalo kalata ali mutawuni ali kudoga kale basaboni banyewo mukali muliyayo Muzira Mungu kwa ina sente mbateme mwine mumpeku. Wanyi? Nani? Muzira. Aliwa. Umugaika. Kansala. Sera da kansala bafuna sente. Aha. Idea uno. Make designer. Order sa sente yuko kubakaba. Nguba. Karata ida. Mama avwa simba ido ile mwechiko iko. Oje wale. Iwetamu akembo kakarata. Biti na wanote. Karata. Biti na kumba liote. Ini. Jawa muka ide direct. Mama asinye. Lwa mwembi wenka mwembi wala fati. Where's brother? Okay.
Shut up on me like it. On the missing on the beating. Tell up over half the beating.
There's so many wa mama kadaga. Mama kadaga kabina singa ino kakalata.
SK Events.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tulikuleta next artist on stage. Actually, kasitatu mala wanenu. Abe mbiko nabona ngatoka alikwemba. Kwa olu mala wantu lichamu Endodi Super Dido. Dido. Later on after the program.
Mama kabiro tujaku bandoni kabiro nongera senta. Kubanza hivi nikusinga otegera.
Okay.
Hanji bate mali awo. Kanso yaba waja kumpese. Basabo ni banjabo. Mundigirize mbaletera omwembi wa Chamasinga omusando omulaloti katono kanyavu ti kanyavu kawanvu ti kawanvu Anko Hoi. Mubiri gwa chikana ni baideti nkurika Kayefuna obuwerero emigambo bidabya numba Nasingali lainira lero ndekandi somoni Sinokuwala Eno sewa yekola Anono nyesenge Sinokuwala Endulu kamonero kambu nafuku mokole Sinokuwala Eno sewa yekola Anono nyekashi Sinokuwala Kiza numu ya migambo wela nimu Nachoka moko konti Izamo yiko mwidi Aye mutindo no gwachuka Ija mwemba disaka Kuka katonda nigwe ya mpira Sinokuwalala Nesawa yakola Adono nisende Sinokuwalala Endulu kamonero kamona fuku mokole Sinokuwalala Nesawa yakola Adono nikashi Sinokuwalala Nizamo ya begambo werwa nebo Kwenye baba
ne maka ebyabitawo leka kuiza byabitawo tuje n'ebiriwo n'ogisente n'ebindi tukadaga kwogera mu bire ebyabitawo era n'ebyo n'ebyo mutani tugizenze byaira abigenda kuliga abantu genda kyoba genda kubuza mirembe kubaire aye nga byakyoba kuba byona twabikola emirimu egisinga twagikola waire nako wanga mwayi kasita twabikola nze n'ebindi tyaga mwayi era twabikola mbutinsoni wamu bweribalisofuwa otafuula futubolo ombunze yoyenda yotwalanga sena ndi muntu ntegeera ndi mwana wa mama naigaga kulwaki totandika kola ebinakugasa n'otungako omunwa eno saawa yakola tuleke empala n'atunoonya sente sitopu walala bajeta SK bisobola akikuba mu byakipanga nze ndidagana kusasula omulimo gwe gwakutabula byali tibinuma mama ebigwaku tibinuma byamanize obulamu kyebunuma kwepanka bakudiwaya abalina bodi tuleka kwewana kino kikumba ebabeti nekubya ekibimba kibyakulimba kana mawulire gajja kutunda nti kubakunomerwa nze tandise luno lugendo nze simwire baali bamanyide kiriba eno gyendi banange binyuma ekisi waliwo kyebalaba bwatafaze ekizudde eryengedde byendiko yuca yange engisanze abansoganya mondeke wamanabekante kati kaligire kyokukola nakikuba ekiyawulire otya kati ekirigonagona kyegonagona ekisobulire otyeyo amawulire okukola ewagafuna zimanyi bamuwulira kali ngozi muze nyonyeyo yange byempulire eno selembera kubaloka zelendo matoke genalya ate kunjo katunda genanwa untele ku planet ya yembe adichayiwe kati kujoga saseko kanziyeko nendala nzinywemo nebaneiba kamba weko yatamanyiwe sikuba nange simanyiwe biriba ayengayaniyo bwabo atamanyiwe buluma nze nakikuba muliyo mukubeko obugalo bw'abasoga ninjo jakuba kwa wakemba kebeta tujagezaako oba busoga enuma eno busoga enuma okusinga Kampala kira kyadimbuka ndiwo omwoyo gwakunekera tofanenda totese kyetulizako tubiteko kompulesa tubirako esomo bulaza kyageza tubalake tekabuleke kukinuka kyageza kutubirako isomo tetubireke kudimbuka kyageza kutubirake tetubireke kukinaga kyageza kutubirako isomo tetubireke kudimbuka ekyana kyabitawa kinira wakiringirira kyatusa bokisi omwoyo gwakulengera abyakandi kabitawo nga bufiga bwasomye irayira okyokulinga mu kifuba nga obutuutu buliko gokomoka wawulira ekyo kiro yibulaza ngobo yedoka kweku okakweku okazisa umutima ekintu kiweku nsanyagezageza kulya kusemba kubanga ezira kyefinwa kubanga ezira kyemanda nibusoka ezira kyemanda ebanga azira buzibu nakuliko ezira kyamanda baganda bange yabakikirira nsazeewo mbayiwirewo omubiri abomubanula obunafu izanidyo balwanirira emundu nafuna yandegere amakasi yagawandagaza ibabire nabodabo mbiyuwa alawerwala majidwa kanika tukagezaako tubalage yatubalage kukinanga zekagezageza inakulingirira bije nze mugomba njabirwanako buli sitayiro ndagitolayo wakirinda atega amawa nze ndabiraga tonalinda akakasa nze kindabireka bwekinda ndakirika nze ndona malodikola ndabiwanga kubwe birya nze naweta mubidi paka kinze eyike waine bakwira tujja kubaniriza abone Uganda bwe tukola emirimu bakire mulimpa yangamu muti omwana yalwana ku ntalo bibiretakoze mubiyongerangamu ng'amisembozi bwakola ayikiriza ebigambo bya kafeero ngale nsimwe eruyo zigenda obafwa nze nkumye eddange difwe ezammwe zisigale naye nga kyenkoze nfufu kyekola obulo ebyana bikuuta entumbu edodayaka wali okubalabala nga temuli kalwadde n'akamu ate n'omusomesa yankoba atakawuka akayidira mu bikyafu kuti omuyonda akafuna atya okwo kutiisatiisa baine nze ndinageza kutya kusemba abana gezaku wane busoga ndi ku topu buli olukya ngezagezaku kuti abana gezagezaku mungobere tuje baliwa abasagala bweyaso ate twanunga ku taibo tujye kusimulanga buli kitonde ekituvunamira nabikoba nti awameni twetitiddeyo meni tawameni awameni tawameni wewewenu katujye kusimula tulitera ku laini usunulu moja watulenge emundu yeyagetya agenda 47 n'abo mu basitola tujye kusaba awantu nga twekaka esanti onasobola bino byakudumira kasita kusomanga ogolola muwanganika byanzo nje kukibe South Sudan kanawada ni muyonjo nabagabe nango kumwalo ala 40 nesike muje bugisumu beyo pakasandiki munana yakusi yakutega biryeyo amaza buyiza ni Jose yakabaka munaka so go in there. Oyo mama ayogera olusoga kubakemba kamama Kadaga nsoke nembere mu wekitibwa mama Heleni Namutamba oidi oyo ayenda ino mama Kadaga nga ife bwe tumwenda abasoga so kubakemba ko kusikiza obuye kumujesa omuntu akuyamba kutulina omulwanirira esira kumutolawo esira kumukonako nze bodegaadi ndiwo nze kwoyotamuka nengumi eyoka nziza kumwerabira nga bamudolonga batyo ire obusoga einuma nga lwaki bamufutyanga bola bona bajitegere mama kadaka bali kumubinga bali kwebanga chakuba elia ayaba yela ajamegera kengome nendele International, iwe waleta chi anelize chibukeche kamoni iwe waniliza bimeka abatoka muliyo ayi bana bine byuma byogera bulungi eno SK event ya ilala babudi waya webale ba MC mwebale ninza ngohoyi ninze mbago ndi mwembi musoga era mbenda ino mwebale kunenda Nzagire yakubaka embokalati nze iwala fatire ndoje buyende nze nsigale kamuli empundu bachogerayo webale ino back to business era tuli kujja ku the second last activity era nga kasita tumala wano today watusikaizayo roll ndala tubenga we call it a night today mwebale ino ababaire nifo okupata tutandikire mpaka gye tuli kujja okutuuka mwebale ino kutya mantende yakunumirwa music nakunumirwa bintu bya bulungi abatala n'abaami allow me invite the beautiful amazing 16 queens of Busoga Kingdom. Tonight we are looking for only Tukulonia Mutumala Yenka of the 16, and of course she will be the new Miss Tourism 2025-2026. Abasigaire baida kuba nebiti webindi era tujasigalanga tukolana mu Kingdom kubanga emirimu mingi. DJ give me sound nga these beautiful women come on stage. Thank you.
When I say hustle, hustle, she say blessings on the way. I say pressure, pressure. She say come with fast and pray. She's the crown on my head. Even mama says amen. So muala, sincere speaking, yo muala penda. Losi melo muala yo penda.
Looking so beautiful in Donasi, attached to a traditional way in Uganda, different cultures. And tonight, we choose Busoga as the home of the culture.
Yechanga, Yamala Yaseta, Tia Maitra Makeup, Ayenda was someone, Umuala, Watandika business, profit multiplies. When she speaks, I start to see favor come alive. She makes me so happy. Oh, my heart is beating back. Oh, Muala, oh, Muala, oh, Muala. Sincere speaking, yo Muala, Wenda. Lozi melo Mualo, yo Mubeda. Everything what happens, I don't care. Oh, Muala, oh, Muala, oh, Muala. Bafumba kubidandali, okoboti chikeni. Wasika maido demboli, okoboti ayaya. Bwebuta kumu weekendi, abantu bekanga. Joy omuwala, omuwala, omuwala. When I say hustle, hustle, she say blessings on the way. I say pressure, pressure. She say come we fast and pray. She's the crown upon my head. Even mama says amen. Omuwala, omuwala, omuwala. Sincere speaking, omuwala wenda. Lozi melo omuwala yo mbeda. Everything what happens, I don't care. Joy omuwala, omuwala, omuwala. Sincere speaking, omuwala wenda. Lozi melo omuwala yo mbeda. Everything what happens, I don't care. Joy omuwala, omuwala, omuwala.
Okay, thank you so very much, Mr. DJ. At this very time and point, tulijakwaniriza Mama Honorable Helen Namutama. Tumukubire kwa bukalo bwenda. Obukalo bwa mama. Thank you. Thank you so very much to the Jack crowning our chiefdom queens. Okuva mu chiefdoms edenda ulo. Eranga tulina Butembe, tulina Chigulu, tulina Bugabula, Bugweri, Bunole, twaba ni Bulamoji, twaba ni Ruwuka. Bona tulina Kubanga. We are crowning all of them. So Mama Helen Namutamba, Minister wa Tourism Heritage, aliwana okubanga tutusako echo. Thank you so very much. I don't know how it's working. Judges, are you with us? Who is declaring them? Because Mama Jaba crowninga.
Kale sebyo maike kana
tugenda kusoma abawanguzi baife aba masaza, the winners for chiefdoms.
Bandala.
Contestant number 3, Naigaga Sharon Bunole.
Obugalo bw'amaanyi buli basoma.
Contestant number 4, Naigaga Doreen Butembe. Tuli kulangirira abawanguzi ab'amasaza. Omuwanguzi asoose Naigaga Sharon ow'essaza ery'e Bunole. Naigaga Doreen ono omuwala atayogera wa Butembe. Bana mukube ku mugalo.
Obugalo bwetubenga lusimbula ino.
Ono Bunole.
Ono wa Bunole.
Naigaga Sharon.
N'omuwanguzi waife era mu luzungu bakuba congratulations.
Naigaga Doreen wa Butembe. Mukyala Dokas Obugabula.
Yes, owekitiibwa Mukembo ajja kuba nga ayambaza minisita w'abavubuka ajja kuba nga ayambaza acrowninga Miss Butembe oyo now imagine nga Victor mu Butembe. Yes, the next contestant
Mukyala Dokas Bugabula Nairaku.
Bugabula, outgoing queen. Yes, oyo ni owekitiibwa Mukembo minisita w'abavubuka ayambayiza omuwala okuva mu Butembe. Webale Butembe taba Butembe. Go home and shine, girl.
Oyo Bugabula.
Ebitiibwa mu bingi owekitiibwa Mama Helena Mutamba ayambayiza owe Bugabula. Right there. Tumukubire ku bugalo bana. Congratulations, girl. Go and shine back home. Bakufumbire buli kyoyenda. That's so lovely and amazing. Congratulations.
Owabugweri, muwanguzi wa Bugweri.
Owabugweri. Outgoing Queen Bugweri Chiefdom.
Number 6.
Number 6. Oh, amazing. These girls look so beautiful, so fantastic, fascinating. Owekitiibwa Lisa, outgoing Miss Tourism. She is crowning Bugweri Queen. Wow. What an honor, what a title, what a moment, what a beautiful one. Cameras, take up that one. Lovely, that is so sweet. Wow, that is so sweet. Honorable Owekitiibwa Queen Lisa, outgoing Miss Tourism Busoga, crowning the incoming Miss Bugweri. Thank you so much. Congratulations, girl.
Aina ku Mpaji Jemima Obunda.
Mpaji Jemima Obunda. Jemima Mpaji, what a honor. Chief Webuna Ali Mwambaza Ali Musima. Wabale kutuchikira bulungi. Okoze bulungi no mama. Mpaji Jemima, congratulations, girl. You go back home and smile and shine just like a queen you are, a flower you are, an amazing smiling person you are. Congratulations, woman. Yes, she deserves it. You know what it means to have a chief crown you? The superstar katia weganga ona muwa. Top 10.
Number 10, such a hope. Contestant number 10, such a hope. Okuve Bukoli. The outgoing queen Bukoli gracing up and crowning up the incoming Bukoli queen. Congratulations, women of valor, honorables. Wow, it's a honorable moment, such a sweet moment to see and watch records being taken out in history. We are taking this on camera because it's going to be a moment to remember history makers shining up on stage. Congratulations, women. Contestant number 12, Mwebaze Sylvia Luuka.
Mwebaze Sylvia Luuka right now. Clad in a green gomesi. Beautiful smile, beautiful hair, beautiful skin tone, complexion, beautiful height, and above all, beautiful eyes. We gotta go on that one. Kasoga, wowza, what a moment to have such a beautiful sash on you. When you go back home, tell them I won and I got that crown back home. Thank you so much. Congratulations, such an honor to have you on the platform, and to all the girls, you are superstars in the kingdom right now. You are no longer normal people. Okay.
Contestant number 13, Kalegea Fiona of Bula Moj. Bula Moj, Kalegea Fiona.
Bula Moj, right there. Look at that girl. Look at that beautiful smile. You are not gonna miss out on this one. I hope all the cameras are holding this one a moment. Look at that beautiful smile. Look at that
Oh, what a honor. Minister for Tourism, Owachitiwa Mama Helen Namtamba crowns Miss Bulamoji. Beautiful smile and honor meets honor. Grace touches grace. Dining with greatness. Look at that beautiful crown. Sit on that beautiful head of a beautiful woman. What a beautiful moment. Look at that. Sweet, lovely one. Bale Mama Namtamba, Alimwembera Daba Zungu. She's an English from UK.
Number 14. Contestant number 14, Namwaya Desire Chigulu.
Namwaya Desire from Chigulu. Beautiful height, beautiful color, brown sugar, beautiful skin color complexion. And of course, I love your gown. And guess what? Brown sugar. Dresses of brown sugar. Congratulations, woman. Congratulations, girl. Go home and tell them I won and I shone. And I'm your new Chiefdom Queen. Hallelujah. Beautiful moment. You see that?
Contestant number 15, Montes Angela Busiki.
Busiki, whoever they know, Mommy James Mwere, you are such an adorable man. And the tourism industry is so blessed to have you. Right there. Tulikwambaza uwe Busiki. Iranga wobo na mani gambaza mani. Beautiful colors, beautiful gowns, beautiful smiles, beautiful hugs. Talk about the beautiful jewelry. Tulijamaiso bana babusoka bona tulibamukisoko banga tubalina tujamaiso.
Contestant number 16, Nawaguma Hanisha Okuve Bukono.
Nawaguma Hanisha Okuve Bukono. If you have a camera, you better get this moment on camera. Iranga, we are so blessed to have such dignitaries in the place. And you look at this beautiful statement. It's a fashion statement, a tourism statement, a heritage statement, and it's gonna be unstoppable. Busoga on top, Busoga on map. Justice Fatima crowns the current Queen Rada. What a honor! What such a beautiful moment for Justice to crown a queen. Power flows with power, touching, dining with greatness right now. You look at that beautiful moment, Justice Fatima, Ali crowning the new Chiefdom Queen right now. What a moment, what a story to tell, history in making. Oh, look at that, what a beautiful moment. Tourism Queens. The director of Eternal Falls, Justice Fatima, she is being crowned right now by Justice Fatima, the director of Eternal Falls. Such a beautiful moment right now. You are blessed, God, to have a director crown you. You know that what I mean? Yes.
Miss Popularity, Kauma Fidelis from Kibulu.
Oyena Sinzekuba star. She's been the most voted online. She is the celebrated social media influencer amongst everybody. And just as we say, power goes with power. Amani alimu ambaza kuba yena star. Oyo mama gomo bona serebu mu Uganda. Aina amasana naze 3 phase. Akutemera kutemera wena wanumiri wako. Right there we go. Right there we go. She is Miss Popularity 2025-2026 mana. Obugalo. Oyo ni serebu mubana bona. Mama alimwembera daba zungu. Era aba UK amafuta abare akaba UK. Era nzajja bitawombe ku pound anazira kunegana.
Miss Talent Kusubira Rita okuva Butembe.
Miss Talent oyo nasinze kuba kulaga kitone bana balina ebitone, but of course Rita asinze baine okulaga ekitone. Congratulations, woman of valor, woman of honor, woman of greatness. And guess what? The director of Eternal Falls, Justice Fatima, crowns a beautiful girl and gives her that sash to say thank you so much for being the most talented queen tonight. And it's such a honor to have Justice Fatima, the director of Eternal Falls, crown that beautiful woman. And look at all these those beautiful heads. It is so resplendent. It is so a significant moment and adorable one. Thank you.
Miss Century Hotels, Kagoya Harriet Chiguru.
Kagoya Harriet, Ambassador, Wamama, Right Honorable Rebecca Alitola Kadaga. Century Hotels belong to Mama Rebecca Alitola Kadaga. Right now, she gets an ambassador, and she is from Chigulu. What a beautiful moment right now. Beautiful queens represent travel and represent tourism. Thank you so much.
Miss Creativity, Nangovi Tabitha from Luka.
Wowza, look at that beautiful black gown. I love it. Being crowned by the minister of the youth, Owechitiwa Mukembo. Ebitibwa bingi bannanga amasanyalaze mangi neno bategeza bali tubona buli ali eno wangulu butyafuuse munene wakitiibwa tittaka ali wa bulindo wayimba bino bya banene. That is the true definition of bya banene kati okitegedde.
And lastly,
yes,
Miss Itanda Falls, Consul Faith from Chiguru.
Miss Itanda Falls, Consul Faith, congratulations. Tonight we are here and you're going to be the new first of Itanda Falls, and Justice Patema, the director of Itanda Falls, say akobe ono mukaba nga tulina akobe oyo wange era mu bitibwa bingi buwo bakugabira bitibwa. Justice Patema, congratulations on having such an adorable, beautiful, smiling queen as your new ambassador. Congratulations, women. Justice Fatima akobe ajangula creative way muno ogwire mu bintu. Congratulations, woman. Tulinde kubona bali mu bana zena ndi ambassador ayo akuba bakumuzindala eno.
Peno li ambassador ba mizindalo.
Tubeno era peno. Congratulations, woman. Bali mulaga amani Itanda Falls. Wow, that's a beautiful moment. Muno gwira musente kona tuli ambassador aya tuboneka Justice akalita keranga tuli ambassador muzei anko bana tuli ambassador bana bayo mbwirayo. Okay, we are all these persons you see here, they are the 2025-2026 chiefdom queens, and they represent Busoga in different chiefdoms. When you say Luwuka, Gatutolayo, Chigulu, Gatutolayo, Butembe, Gatutolayo, Bugweri, Gatutolayo, Bunamumba, Gatutolayo, Itanda, Gatutolayo, Central Hotel, Gatutolayo, Omanamtamba, Gatutolayo. Congratulations, women. Beautiful moment. Okay, we can go off stage. Bana mulindeku abali kwenda okuba bufaananyi nganze kukosa chikandala butikitiki tumale. Who doesn't want to cover this one on their phone? 2025 Miss Tourism queens from different chiefdoms. The power and the elegancy of fashion, resplendent, exquisite, and look at those beautiful smiles and crowns. Look at the skin complications. I say what? Complexions are super, really amazing. Congratulations, women. We can go off stage. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow.
Congratulations, women. Congratulations, girls. I can never be yours. So beautiful on your hands. We're so proud of you, girls. Congratulations. Keep on winning. Keep on taking those beautiful girls back home. Tell them we won. Tell them we won and we shine. We made a statement at Itanda Falls.
Thank you so very much. Ladies and gentlemen, abebitibwa tukalina bangi era tuli ba mukisa ino okuba nga saawa dino tukyawulizako obugambo obulungi okuva abebitibwa era nga ladies and gentlemen, as I told you earlier, tuli ku Eternal Falls eri mu Jinja district era nga this is one of the biggest places. This is one of the biggest places of tourism that attracts people in Busoga. We are so blessed to have the director in place right here, and Justice Patema is right here. The person who said that is going to buy all the creative wares. Achagula buli cha creative. Atolu mazao. Ladies and gentlemen, let's tukubire Justice Patema Engalonga idokogera kuchatuli. You're welcome, Wachitiwa. Director, Eternal Falls. Thank you so much.
Basebo ni banyabo tubaniriza ino ku the Eternal Falls experience. Eternal Falls experience twagitandikawo mu 2018 nga twenda okulaga obusoga nti tulina ekintu ekyamaani zaabu aye nga banaife abaali bakityaimemu tibali kulaga busoga nti kituyamba kuva ku 2018 twatandika na ibugumu mu myezi 3 twabaletera nyegenyege era wazira mu Uganda nyegenyege eyali ebairewo ng'eyali yano nenda okwebaza abantu ab'ebusoga mwena ni Uganda yona kuba mwalagira tourism twamala twagira mu nga tumaze COVID nenda okubebaza n'olwaleero bwe tubeese mwidye era mwatulagira mwebala okuwagira abaagala bano baana bato aye bandaze ekintu kirala nti balina obuvumu omuzungu akoba ati they are confident. Singanga tukitambuza mu Uganda yona aye naddala mu Busoga yona tuyida kutolayo ebitone eby'abaana abato, abaana abaguna n'abaana abavubuka. Olwaleero mwide mu kifo tukazimba tusuubira nti omwaka ogwida mudda okwira nga ekifo kino kibe kya $7 billion hotel twakatandika butandike. Nenda okwebaza abantu babiri abasinga kungemerako Owekitiibwa Helen Namutamba Team Minister watubairewo n'abafere twasobola okuzingazinga kw'ekifo nga kigasa Busoga. Mama Helen nenda okuloopera nti twakahostinga wano kabaka wa baba Kyabazinga ni mama inne bantu Mutesi mulujjudde bona baidde banumirwa ekifo kino. Omuntu gw'ensembyayo okwebaza aye mwongereko nganemereire Mama Kadaga Owekitiibwa mama alitwala Kadaga yebale Eternal Falls experience abalino mwebalira irala.
Thank you so very much, Justice Patema, Director. Watch Pochino.
Kati awo oba osooka otegeerere.
Yes.
Iwe omuntu omwana omuto muzeeyi waife afukamire yeebaza mama Rebecca ayitwala Kadaga. Butiwe kinansi singu obitayo mutawuni nga oduula mama. We tuli kwagaanira nze ndiwo kale
Tulina Arafat, oyo Arafat.
Oyo mama twafuna oyo. Yaliwa.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, mungame nanirize.
Yes, ebo.
Omulangira aide abe kuno obugambo bwatukoba. Bano ni bene Busoga.
Ndachirero mulangira neyanziza ino mungane soka n'okusiima minisita waife Namutamba Helen weebale maama okuba n'omutima okuyiriza era nongera okusiima Justice Batema olw'okuyoyota ekifo kino obulungi. Era ninge naawe nongere maama wa Busoga ow'ekitiibwa ekisengedde alitwala Kadaaga. Era ninge naawe nina okusiima empologoma ya Busoga ate nga ali mukama wange antwala His Majesty Wilberforce Kadumbula Nalyopookona. Era yenda okuyinikiza okusiima His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni olw'okufenda eino n'asobola okusigamu empiira Obusoga ne busobola okwaka buli kwaka. Yenda okwebaza abembi baife boona mu Busoga. Era naawe okwebaza banamawulire mutukoze bulungi okutunda eri ensi yoona mu Uganda. Abantu b'e Busoga, abantu b'e Itanda, abalangira n'abambedde abali wano. Ninze The Royal Highness Chief Luba Geoffrey Mukajanga atwala eisaza ly'e Buna. Eisaza ly'e Buna neefa abalungi. Kyova muli kubona n'omwana wange Mpagi Temima ali wano. Era nayenda okusiima abaana boona abeegayireyo okuyinza okwolesa ebitone nimubabona era nimubaagira. Bannange mwebale mutakanga ng'okwo mukolere irala. Bano e Buna tuliyo obweyenda okwolesa ku mukazi omulungi ibeebuna. Ebona nife abazaala abalungi ni mukaire waife Jolia Mutesi ene ife ava Buna. Mbendeze ekiseera ekirungi era nga mbasabya nti enkabada isa ife Katonda ow'omu weekend n'empewoda abadaada baife libakuume ng'obutabavuwako libe n'Obusoga likuume kyabasinga waife likuume abakulembeze boona maama Kadaaga obwekitiibwa Namutamba Justice Batema ni mwena omwidigano libakuume nga Obusoga okuyisa lya amaani kyabasinga ife afunguwe.
Okay.
Mama buto ojire wasi.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, ma'am.
Tukaja maiso era nga tuli kumpi kutuuka ku nkomerero y'entandikwa.
Yes, ma'am.
Aye era nga neddo bategeeza nti abawala balijja kuwira mu last move otulijja okucrowningira Miss Tourism 2025 2026 mwebala ino okutwegayitako okola ebyafaayo okola amawulire n'okumena the record nenda okutegeeza tulina ebirabo eby'endawulo nga bw'olibona mboneka muli mu bitimbi ebibba era tulireta mwembi
kale basebo ni banyabo mundikirize unanirize
Kingme
kayo ndisa igende yedule mirembe tubona akatente bekali akifayo bakali mabali mamboga muri bakabi tubona nino kubera Thank you so much. Otalina wa sente. Baba. Omusada. Mukufuna babausa kumbe. Abalina aye.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
I want to let you know we are coming to the opening of the closing of the big show. And today it's down on record. 29 we crowned. Actually, it is 30th now, yeah? It's 30th, the end of the month. We crowned Miss Tourism 2025-2026 at Eternal Falls. When I'm idea into this record breaking show tonight. Big shout outs to you. Mabaleno Kuida. I tell you that. Ni next step to that Kuida. I right about now. Mungane ndete. Abawala ainga bakali Kuida. Nendoko basaino aba media houses. Visual Media, Mr. Latif, big up on yourself. Baba TV, big up on yourself. Baba FM, big up on yourself. Sanyuka Media, big up on yourself. Next Media, big up on yourself. All media houses, TikTokers, social media influencers, big up on yourself. Monitor, Daily Monitor, and New Vision, that is National Media Group, big up on yourself. And Busoga Tourism Media Crew, big up on yourselves. To all the artists, big up on yourself, keep pushing, and don't give up. Ladies and gentlemen,
tulijja kubanga twaniriza omwembi wa Kyamazinga Zeigwa mama gwasimye abenga atenga nakulembera abaana ba industry bonabona mu Busoga yandibanga n'omwembi yenka asinga ogaita abembi abasoga atenga iyo kutegeranga mwembi Busoga ali kujja kubanga abalamusa bulamusa abasakata endongo kibenga mundigize twanize ku Demasi Ombede. Basoga bawene nanumira mulebule nakuma mutima saduka lwembo n'abasoga mundu mukama mutima nongera okuduga kibanga kirungi okumana yoveera naye wabala osobola kitebawakkiriza nga tiri awawo n'empewo ndikuweebwanga emisimu gyeweima gyewandifuna kimanyisa n'ebyo byotunda bigulirira omutanda waliwo edduuka ery'omusoga awo abenda obusoga baboneka abatenda bapinga tibenda bona kubaswa kyova obuna bitabwike n'emizimu gyamwe gyabagoba iwe tosubira tyofuna esente kanembere ndigaba emikisa adiswasaswasana ndibulira ononosabire nidebedde ekyanga tidenda donda kudiga olwobona kirabike emyaka gyomaze opakasoose oliba mu kibuga bakukuma embeera agisiba emiguwa zazirikwekawo empiira busoka tezinswaza olusoka mwakakasa olutibone nibonvuma tikwekawo enviira wenatesa bandirizumbula olusoga mukago ina nakulega nikunkabidde busoga bana tweyagala tutyange kwamakina olebwakuvuba olukwogera olusoga era nendumwire mu olusoga otitonkanga lataife batwogerera abatuulana lw'amagezi ayitw abasoga mama kadago yo waife wa busoga ebibuga ebyakabiri bigenderwa abasoga nidekutikere tuliyo n'abanene kadago yo waife wa busoga ayinatutekeza mikulu kikulukulu ebibuga ebyakabiri bigenderwa abasoga nidebakampala basokere kubanene mubana wensi eno otakumage kuwafufaana abandi abekweka ebibuga ebyakabiri onkomera iwe DJ olya pisana kirala abasoga munsi yona yona abasoga bandika ku mukono mbona oba oliwo muna tulakoti mbone nawo tujje mu maiso tuli mu nsonga da Busoga tuli mu bintu bya Busoga tuli kwolesa Busoga tino ekyo eri yakemba kale byafaayo bya Busoga omujani balata abambene musoko gwabita ono n'omwembi omubede ayembe byamakulu nikwiwe noyenda kabombona otuuka n'okugoba tinandi akwogera aye bw'oyikaala owuliko omubede byenkuba olala mu mutima ti Busoga ndi jenero lwakaba nakwa n'omusira kanfunemu olugero nabayiremu ne badandooga kasalawo yantumbya yankuba ti omubede ensimba byokola bayire enkwenzo enewa ne bafeyo tubyogere okobere twalina tutokufuuka Abasoga waliyo abasanda babiri abalina naluga abalina yali ayetebwa Mukama namutukula eyali muweso mwezi talima n'embere eyatuuka ne mukasi wenaludo yamudema mu Lusoga mukembo bana bawera n'okwava n'abalangira bakulembera Busoga omyaka gye einoma mu Busoga tiwali byanono kuli mama na Butamba muzeyi bateka webale webale mama webale mama webale mama webale mama kabuno bya Basoga awawone gotwasobezanga obutira bw'empube tebatwala kwegolosa eri amusungu abawonye mama Omusoga yaikweno Omusoga yona twaida lutaifa bwene ebyafaayo bya Busoga twaida lutaifa bwene Abasoga iwe lisachi denkola tolondoka biduba batuze mwayiga nana ife wakozekero lwasereba mu myaka yanuganuga kuwaliga abasanira ofuga mutabani wa Yosiya aliopeka mulo wokubiri atyama mu ntebe awodi kanso wabi kanso tawe kaga kanso wa BGM kanso yala mulo obuso badada baluga baidora mulo Busoga ubali teizakaliro taipo yakuna alani twaduga Busoga yaterenkera paka yabitolawo katonda atemya bali tulyabona dobe kaulondo muda Busoga yaifeno Busoga yobona paka kubino byobona muyengu twaida tutokufuuka Abasoga bude tyama ntende kukomera ebyabita owulirize ofune nekyoyega toliko abakombe wano mu Busoga wobona katonda bamboyo mpani nekawo Hola. Koloti Musiramu soko idombedeku so kaida.
Lwaki tobiseera inja. Thank you so much.
Hola Koloti akemba kwa mama wangekebeta omukulisitu byaida bityabo tubone ebintu ebyo obikubango otyo Musiramu wako mukafuna oide ngoli bikola bulungi obasene bategera kando
igwa
ayiboti kwini maze bintu bino kamufuwe Koloti, kuba tubone. Mwibala abatakaina abawere yowogere family bayimo buzalirano nsema kibumbalata alungamye emikisa abana bakola itanda fumbu wolane nabyopeka bulowo kuna empanga singa y'obubende ono n'omubanda w'omusibu akolesa kagitatai olusoko okulusansanya akulude masi omubende mubanda ewe kyabandina muwoloma eda nakubutaabutana nikwendolala etotya mama woitoga simba omubende Western Music Empire BTM mweviyemba kuba endongo kibasa amakonko n'endongo wena mumpeko obugale eyo omuloma muliyo Musoka leo ifakano kututopya batuliza yatemana ife betuwaya aboluganda mu busogana bavangwe yembera natuka noduba bana temisango ejo busogana egendo wogerera nazimuganiza iwe kaliro sola tuli kusuliza buchayi takugana gafiji nomwembe mulamu waluwa nakibona nomwembe mulamu mwaluwa bwabaliwo ebiwaka bamwenda maswika nibo bakamiri oba bobi tomusinga gatera ekyanda ayifu waife musoga bafana bamwembe okowoyo kadalala bamulemya nakibona duse gye nali kuko kikombe kyebusoga ntinda baliganga ab'ebintu agegenga okwemba kwademba nize wendi nasobera abula kumusekula ateke ngabaitwe ani yalamba busoga yaife n'okugereranga enkuni ey'obusoga buli kimu kyalema otereranga tujja waife enkuni ey'obusoga ani yalamba busoga yaife n'okugereranga enkuni ey'obusoga mama kadaka kaliwo bana era busoga ulya chova bona ndi kuswika kubye n'embere abataka ino mbireta mulwatunze banatikweka nsonga chova busoga enenda ino n'omwana omugeni wako oyo yakusingira obuwo gwe wasala n'oyonsa nakiba ntuuse mu kalulu kulu ne basicanga emyenda ku iwe ulya kyali yabologa nabutyaka tutenda olw'okutima gwe twamuladda obululu bwava mu lusoga amasiro bamutiisa ka iwe ulya wonika omukono gwa mama kadaga mbona oba oli omuna wonika oti eyo nsonga nkulu mu busoga gano era afe aba BTM oyo yenka gwe tuyikiririza gwe tuwuliriza era bwatukoba nti mujje tujja bwatukoba nti muleme titujja tinaawo aye alini muwala we oyo namutamba ebyo byayirala era oyo bwatuuka gumite akuba bwakigere twakuba tutibitibite bisimbuyite tusimbula wakubye ekigererazi oyo wairala big up on yourself kundema straight away out a BTM network wagwan say blia girl dem say dem is a cool dem say wagwan and the girl dem say the girl events tufuwa kusenda tufuwa musilamu tuwe twawulire wano lukomya nva tulijambula maido.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, Neno SK event jowulira etalimba.
SK events.
Ladies and gentlemen, DJ. I never sumuluzo bya drone. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, DJ give me sound. Tulete abawala.
My lady always put a smile up on my face. She put my mind in a good place. When I'm trying to replace, yeah. She be my melanin dark chocolate. And when I'm lost, she's my navigator. When I'm down, she demotivates me. She is my wonder woman. I feel safer when I'm in her arms. And I'm not bothered if tomorrow comes, cause I love how I feel today. So come a little closer, let me whisper something in your ears. Girl, you make me wanna face my fears, and I know fit to use you play. She is my kind of woman. Beauty is so natural. She is the type that makes me want to love. She is my kind of woman. Her beauty is so natural. She is the type that makes me want to love. My lady always puts a smile up on my face, and her location is my happy place. Her energy lights up my space. It's a no-brainer. And at the end of a long day, she's my J. She takes me high, she's my elevator. When I'm feeling low, she's a motivator. She my kind of woman. No place I'd rather be than in her arms. This love is deeper than the ocean, and I'm drowning in your way. So come a little closer, baby, let me wipe away your tears. I can't believe that after all these years, they said we'll never make it, baby, never make it way. She is my kind of woman. Beauty is so natural, type that makes me want to love. I wanna love you, baby. You're my kind of woman. Beauty is so natural, type that makes me want to love. I wanna love you.
Yeah, ladies. Beautiful sounds. This stories in Busoga. Beautiful queens from different chiefdoms. Bunole Bunanumba, Bugwere, Ukabula, Chikulu, Luka, Butembe. We are having all of them tonight. What I wanted, I made a video I'm a video or to be moody. Skin combinations are so amazing. They all look so amazing. So lovely and so adorable. What a moment to up. Amazing God, as our queens tonight. The record makers tonight to have such beautiful flowers, beautiful women of valor. women of honor, to be part of the history making tonight. Just look at this. Wow. This is so beautiful. We appreciate the heights, we appreciate the looks, the beauty that blends with culture tonight. Trendsetters tonight.
Yeah.
Twekaise kuba chokola ebyafaayo.
Yeah.
Okubanga nife abamukwaba mu busoka yona yona. Abali kyobona nalulungi w'ebyobulambuzi 2025-2026. Abakyala n'abaami tulina abantu 16. We are gonna first go with the top 5 queens.
Yeah.
Top 5 queens of the 16. That means we are gonna have 5 left, and the 11 are still part of still part of the Ministry of Tourism.
Yeah.
Because we, for so long as you're picked out, we're part of the winning team.
Yeah, man.
So regardless who stays here, we are all still having them on the team.
Yeah.
But of course, just for the show tonight, Miss Tourism 2025-2026, and we're going to be speaking to the judges.
Kati abali mu katebe eyo bw'oba oli kuwongeranga zuukuka.
Mu bajaji abali ky'osalawo olunaku lwa leero tulina Mr. James Mwere era ngono Senior Tourism Officer mu Busoga Kingdom. Twabamu n'omukyala Sabia Nakawesa era ngono lawyer ate era artist munamateeka Ninal Beat. Twabawo n'owooluganiko Isabire Pius okuva ku Papa FM 87.7. Twabamu n'omukyala Nabirio Rashida ono ni former Miss Tourism Busoga Eternal Falls 2023. Bano n'abali just empaka dolwaleero era nga twende obategeeza tulikwenda ku bataano 10 n'omulala tubebaza ino era nga wali part of the organization still. But for tonight, today, we shall have 5 stay on stage to go up onto the next level. I wish you all the best, girls, and I hope you emerge victor. Thank you so much. Back to the judges.
Thank you. If I read your number, you step forward. Number 8.
She's just a girl and she's on fire.
Number 13. Number 3. Number 7. And lastly, number 9.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are all up.
The first question is, why did you make a decision Busoga 2025? You only have 1 minute.
I made the decision to contest for Miss Tourism Busoga 2025 to promote and work with the Ministry of Tourism and Heritage,
because most of the youth in Busoga do not have pride for their culture, do not have pride for their heritage, and in this we shall be solving that challenge. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. I want to become Miss Tourism 2025-26 because I want to become the bridge that connects our heritage to the outside world. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. I chose to contest for Miss Tourism for the youth to come. Thank you.
Thank you. I want to use this platform to make Busoga a must-visit region in Uganda, both to the domestic people here in Uganda and to the international world. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. The last question is, if you are crowned today as Miss Tourism Busoga, what plans do you have? What are you going to do that is different to promote and develop tourism in Busoga?
Thank you. When I'm voted as Miss Tourism Busoga, I'll use this platform to make Busoga. Yes, I want to use this platform to make Busoga a must-visit region through posting different sites, different tourism sites on my platform, on my social media handles, to the outside world, so that everyone can see what we have in Busoga here, basically, and promote environmental protection, since it's one way we can promote tourism. Thank you.
Thank you for that question. If so, I'm crowned as Miss Tourism 2025 to 2026. I will encourage my fellow youth in technical institutions and universities to visit and have tours in different places. For example, Lake Nakul in Ulamoj, where we find rare birds and beautiful to look at, like the shoebills, the foxy weavers, and many more. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. When I'm crowned Miss Tourism 2025-2026, I'll become the bridge that connects our cultural heritage to the outside world, whereby we use my social media platforms, for example, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, to post about the historical sites in our Busoga region and the tourism sites, for example, the source of the River Nile, which is the longest river, the Soroko Falls, the Tanda Falls. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the question. I am going to introduce tourism clubs to primary and secondary schools because it's a new project that has never been there in most of the schools that are in Busoga, and I will be able to come and attend every term to at least teach these girls our values, teach the boys the heritage that we hold as Busoga. Thank you.
Region, these showrooms will enable tourists to come and buy items and crafts that will be in the showroom, so that they can take good reports home about Busoga. And I will work hand in hand with the Ministry of Tourism still, and we introduce talks in high schools so that we can educate people, we can educate students in high school about the history of Busoga and how Busoga came into existence, by encouraging them to visit Kaguru Hill in Buyende district, so that students in high schools can learn how the Busoga people came into existence, since in the curriculum of Uganda there is nowhere that Busoga are included in the curriculum, because the Baganda people, we studied Nambi, Chintwa Nambi, but we didn't study anything like Omukama na Mtukula. So we need to educate those high school students about the existence of Busoga region. Thank you.
Man behind the great fashions that you see in here tonight, the dresses that you see in the looks, and of course all the crafts and the dresses, the fashion and threads, everything. Ladies and gentlemen, here, tumukubira kwa bugalo na yambaisa abana bano na bambaisa ba miriminya bacho banirira. Thank you so much, brother. Bawubire kwa bugalo muno star
oyo ne omusada abokwambaza abana. Thank you so much brother, may God bless you so much. Okay, balija kuja bakyuse and then we come back with the final results. Thank you so much.
Zena mfunirako ekiwero
Charge.
She got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire.
Aha, selector tweyanziza ino tweyanzege kyentaidi abatanu oba bweine oba timuba bweine oluzungu muluwulire oba timuluwulire munakoba muti jaji tali kubona abo mwena muli kumubeerako okusala tibasoma kale basaba ni banyabo wetuli temyabutemye era nga sala tuli kujamu tulijja kuba nga twanizwa mukaire mama Namutambereni ali kujja kuba nga ida ku stage wenao tujja kuba nga twaniriza ba misi bona abo baire baliku abo busoka bona mwide no ku stage mama alina omugabo gwaimwe okuba simba
right there. Abona abawala abona abachala babaire ba Miss Tourism 2025 2026 twabalonderere Kagulu jebaba okuba abantu kuli bona lero. And just the people you're watching here, right here. Somebody wanna go start right now. You are outgoing Miss Tourism. Tuliko banange ifoto tukola nga kunsobi tulonda bamalayo. Abali kucha. Butwa tulikuleta mujije muyaka. Bawayo. Bani na kunoni butifa tulija kutake.
Era bano babuli bona bano buli ali awalina passport.
It's our time to shine.
Wayenda waninira.
Okitegeyire.
Ni wayenda kucho kuno. Haina ku microphone yamba myagituwereze.
Iwe oida kubeyo. Okay. Bodyguard wa mami aina microphone ya mami. MC Karata kulde masakweta.
Rashidi leda ku microphone yo mukadde.